Good morning, children. Welcome to Sanskrit class. Nowadays, it is very essential for us to take care of our health. So, today we will start our session with a Subhashitam in which medical advice has been given for all of us. Dinante cha pibet dugdham, nishante cha pibet jalam, bhojanante pibet takram, kim vedyasya prayojanam. It means one should drink milk at night and water in the early morning. One should drink buttermilk at the end of a meal. If this is done, then what is the necessity of a physician? Now, students, take out page number 39. The topic is Vidiling Lakaraha or Vigyarthaha. First sentence is Chhatraha Pathantu. This is an expectation that students should study. Next sentence is Chhatraha Patheyuhu is a possibility. May all the students study well. Vigyarthaha has two words in it, Vidhi plus Arthaha. Here, Yan Sandhi has taken place. Rasva E of Vidhi is followed by a, so E will be replaced by Halantaya and the result will be Vigyarthaha. Below that, Upadeshah, Ashirvadah, Prarthana, Kartavyam, Shakyata, Bhavishyat Kal Nirdeshah Ityadayah. It means the mood, Vigyartha mood, is used to give Upadesh means advice, Ashirvad means blessing, Prarthana means request, Kartavyam means duty, possibility means Shakyata. Bhavishyat Kal Nirdeshaha means it indicates about future tense, etc. Now we will see sentences given below. First sentence is Jivet Sharadaha Shatam. It means live vibrantly for 100 years. It is a blessing. This sentence indicates blessing. Second sentence Prapte tu shodashe varshe putre mitravat acharet. When the son attains the age of 16 years, when he is of 16 years, he must be treated as a friend. This sentence tells you about what should be done or it tells about your duty. Next sentence is Labhet siktasu tailam api yatnatah pidayan. This sentence tells you about the possibility. The meaning of this sentence is if you will make efforts, then you can take out oil even from sand also. Next sentence is Matiman swasthanam na parityajet. Matiman means a wise person. It's a piece of advice that a wise person should not leave his place. Next sentence Aham abhineta abhinetri bhaveyam. This sentence tells you about future. I will be actor or actress in future. Next is Chhatraha Pratyushe Uttishtet. It's a piece of advice again. Students should get up early in the morning. For expression of all these moods, Vidhiling is used. Parasmaipad and Atmanepad Pratyaha and forms by using different roots are given below. I will read Pratyaha for you. Learn them properly so that you can identify the forms which will come in the lesson number 4, Vigyarthamala. Now I will read suffixes for you. Parasmaipadam Pratyaha, Parasmaipad Pratyaha are it, itam, iyuhu, pratham purush, ihi, itam, it, madhyam purush, iyam, iv, im, uttam purush. Atmanepad Pratyaha it, iyatam, iran, pratham purush, ithaha, iyatham, idvam, madhyam purush, iya, ivahi, imahi, uttam purush. Children, learn all these suffixes properly. Below that, roots have been used. You can learn these roots also. Either you learn suffixes or uh, by taking one root, you can learn the forms also. Whatever is easy for you, you can opt for that.